water started coming in the light sockets, and the man on TV, which was every station, every reporter was saying 20 foot. My 12-year-old did go to the restroom and throw up. You know, and he wasn't sick. He just, I guess his nerves, he started getting scared. He didn't start crying, no one panicked. Even my daughter, who was pregnant, even when I handed them life jackets and it was up to our waist in the house, they still didn't panic. I was the one panicking. And I was really worried on the way over here that the boat was going to break down. I knew 100-mile-an-hour winds was coming. I knew it. I knew we had a low window.
Yeah, the rescue people knocked on the door, told them we got to get up out of there because the windows are cracking for our safety. Hurricane we don't play with.
Can't believe those buildings been there forever. They're all gone now. Yeah, it used to be free souvenir shops and Hooters, and it's gone now.